Hi dolls, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Masa Selka is my name if you're new here. If I return to be hi doll, hi there. I am washing my wigs today. So the reason why I'm filming that's because I'm washing them and I'm also removing glue. So I just wanted to try this whole thing where you do that with your wig and it's not bad. I don't like it, but it's not bad. Also because this is just a glueless wig, I can just take it off. There's literally no need for the drama. So yeah, I'm washing my wigs. I'll show them in a minute. I just wanted to share a couple of reasons on why somebody might need to wash their wig. One, it could be that you've probably worn it too long, and you know, because of hair oils and stuff, it may start to smell. It doesn't have to smell for you to wash it. Personally, I just sometimes just wash them because I probably wore them a week, so I'm like, you know. But I normally remove glue when I feel the residue is a little too much, and I just wanted to have a fresh, cleaner look, a more settled feel to it here, because sometimes when it has a lot of glue, as I was saying, I would normally just, you know, wash it so that I'm able to lay it all down a bit more. This is a glueless wig. I should have shown it to you guys before I did all of this. I just wanted to try that out. So let me see. It's a bob. That looks like this. Yeah, so normally the reasons why I wash my hair, my wigs, and just to make sure they are clean before I put them away should I be trying on another hairstyle, so that the next time when I have a better hair day, the wigs are ready for action, you know. So I normally just keep them clean, and so that, you know, when I want to go in, then it's go time. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and to share any tips that you probably use that are very helpful when washing your wig. I normally just use a conditioner depending on how dirty the hair is. Like my 12-inch right now, it's very dirty. It's not very dirty, it's just I went somewhere that had it was windy and there was like sawdust, and I think it may have just, you know, came all over my hair. So that's why I'm washing the wig, and I had worn it for 3 days, so I'm also making sure that I'm getting rid of that, you know. So my 20-inch, on the other hand, I had washed out the glue residue, but for some reason I wasn't satisfied with how it happened, so that's why I'm re-washing it again. So enjoy. So today I'm gonna be washing these two wigs. Not washing, they're not necessarily dirty, it's just I had this one for a couple of days. So the both of them have this gluey situation here. I'll show you the glue I was using for all this. So it's easy to get rid of. I just normally use hot water. I just dunk them in and let them sit a little bit and take them out. So because there's elastic items here and I wouldn't want to ruin the wig itself, I just make sure that I put only this portion of the wig inside. So for this one, it's a glueless wig, but it has a portion that I normally have to glue down. So this portion is the one that I normally just put in the water. I had washed it last time, but for some reason I realized it didn't get off completely. So for the rest of it, I'm not gonna wash this one. I might wash this one. Does it even need washing? But what I normally do is, if I have to wash the entire hair body, I use I'll just show you right now. So this is what I'll use to when I'm washing. Sometimes I'll also use what is it called, a shampoo. Not really specific, but what I've noticed is with this conditioner, it makes the hair kind of soft and manageable. For hold the adhesive, I use this one, or I use this one. I want to get the glamour as well. This is almost done. This same. Oh my god, I need to get the glamour one as well because I want to try it out. I'm hoping it's really good, and I think I might go get some hand to do my lace this time around. If at all, they're not gonna think I've really ruined this, because if you've watched my other videos, I'm the one who was cutting my own lace, and I've just been trying to make it work. I don't know if it's perfect or whatever. So I want to go to somebody else who does this as a job to try to see if they can help me somehow with installation. So yeah, I hope they won't be like I completely ruined it, because if that's the case, then I'll just continue using it the way I've been using it. I'll just share a picture because I've been wearing it regardless. So yeah, let me just get to the washing part. So this past week, for a couple of days, I was wearing this wig, and it got windy the last few days, and I think it's a little ooh, Jesus Christ, it's a little dirty from all the dust it got to catch from them winds, because it was really windy. And I passed by some company that was dealing with sawdust, and I'm starting to think my wig is like really dirty. So I'm just gonna put it in the thingy a little bit, so that when I go get that go ask the hand to assist me, then she doesn't think I'm bringing her a dirty wig, because yeah, first impressions. This other one is still fine. Every time I look at this wig, my head aches because it has these, and sometimes it makes me feel like it's too tight on my head. But dude, when I tell you I like it, it's a very toxic relationship. I think I might wash this one as well. At this point, I've decided the chances are very getting washed at this point. Oh, it's just conditioned, not wash. So I'm just gonna co-wash, because I don't know if y'all can tell, the little white gluish items are just going all over the hair at this point, and I don't like it. So I'm gonna do the glue off thingy first, and then that's when I'll put the wigs in water that is mixed with conditioner. Let me get to the washing part of things. I'm gonna be using a bucket. If you've watched my other video on this, I normally just pour just a little bit, because I'll just pour in a little bit of water like that, because I'm not trying to wash the entire hair, just that portion that has glue. And then I'm just gonna take it and dip it in. So the idea is just for the glue to melt away. So I'm gonna do the same with that other one as well. You don't have to do this forever, just a few minutes and the whole thing will be gone.